Take a look at your windows. Are they showing signs of age, condensation, old handles, maybe some rust on the catches? It might be time for an upgrade. Check the gaps. If it's pre-1980, you likely have old double glazing. Newer double glazing has a wider gap and an improved efficiency with argon gas filling. Condensation means the double glazing isn't working, but don't replace the entire window if it's not necessary, as a glazer can replace a single failed pane for better insulation. Upgrading your windows comes with several benefits beyond aesthetics, such as improved property insulation and enhanced home security. So whether it's your roof, walls, floors, windows, drafts, or even your pipes, insulating your home is your key to comfort, energy savings, and a small carbon footprint. Don't let your hard-earned money escape through the gaps. Invest in insulation and make your home cozy and cost-effective. Your wallet and your island will thank you. For more information, visit electricity.gg/insulate.